Hey, how you doing? I just set up a new foldable laptop stand. So obviously can't use the keyboard on my laptop now, so that's another wireless keyboard coming into the house. I don't know what I do with them. I must have ordered about 12 of these over the last 20 years and put them away when I don't need them and I can't find them again, or give them away. I've gone Logitech this time. I do like Microsoft keyboards, I must admit, but you know, they are a pretty penny. So Logitech MK270 keyboard and mouse. I don't really need the mouse, but you know, generally they come as a kit, don't they? So out of the box, what we got? Oh, well, straight away, watch out for that. The little dongles there right in the flap, so don't miss that. Okay, that could ping out quite easy, couldn't it? Well, not quite easy. That's yeah, and that's the problem with these. I think I lose half of these, or I have some and then I don't know which one they're for. Mouse, you know, don't really need the mouse, but I have to admit Logitech mouses are good. And this should be a cinch to set up. Plug and plays, 2 AAA batteries, you know, standard sort of keyboard. Little uplift stands that you'd expect if you like them at that sort of angle. Okay, let's put batteries in and see how we go. Here out the packet, Logitech MK270. One dongle out, one dongle back in. That took about 10 seconds and it says USB device up and ready to use. Mouse already came with batteries in it, and so did the keyboard, so that's fine. And away we go. Yeah, and it's a nice responsive mouse as well. Yeah, I mean, these wireless keyboards, they are, you know, plug and play, easy peasy. A nice spring to this keyboard. Yeah, I like to know when you've touched the key, and there is just a reassuring little pop. Yeah, nice little bevel on them. Yeah, pretty steady. Happy days. Not a lot of cash. I'm sure you can get it for different amounts. That's up to you to go and find, but yeah, I think it looks okay as well. Ready to go. New laptop stand, wireless keyboard and mouse.